Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the sound and then also the theme to get a different PlayStation, like 1, 2, 3, or 4. And you can see I have the PlayStation, I believe, 4 on here right now. If I move this around, I can go to sound, and I can hear the PlayStation sounds from the PlayStation 4, and this brings back a lot of memories. And I do like this one. The only kind of disadvantage with the PlayStation 1, 2, and 3, and 4 is when you open up the quick menu, you can see you have these giant like bars around it. And I don't know if I really like that all that much, but we can go to system or settings right here, going down to system, and then go down to appearance. And this is where we can find appearance and sound for PlayStation 1, 2, and 3. So here's PlayStation 1. You got the original sounds from those. And then you can see the PlayStation in the background under the quick menu. Then we go to the PlayStation 2. And then you can see this. Then we can go to PlayStation 3. Here's the quick menu. And then finally we got the PlayStation 4, which is probably my favorite PlayStation. And then here's the default. So check this out. You can apply it and use it as a theme. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.